Greetings, fellow editors. I will talk about Compass, an extension that takes control over Premiere Pro export path. We have two projects, two ships, so to speak, Merchants and Vikings. During export of Merchant ship, I can set export path to out folder. When I switch to Vikings project and try to export Drake ship, Premiere Pro will use previous export path, the one used by Merchants. So what do we get here? A bloodbath. If captains of those ships used Compass, a massacre could be avoided. In Compass, I can set export path to any folder, and Compass will always direct exports to that folder. If I switch to relative path, then output folder will stay relative to project location. If output folder doesn't exist, then files will be exported to project folder. Or you can toggle create output folder. And Drake ship will find its way. Compass works with all types of Premiere Pro export. Direct export, media encoder queue export, and quick export as well. That is all. Thank you, and may your compass be true.